Hi, this is Sherry Lukey, and this is a tapping audio for worrying. Always taking full responsibility for your mental, physical, and spiritual well-being. Taking a really nice deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. And starting on the side of the hand. Even though there is so much that I need to worry about, I want to fully acknowledge it now. Even though I'm afraid to stop worrying, because it feels like if I do, I'll miss something important. And I'm open to seeing this differently. Even though part of me wants to stop worrying, because it's exhausting, another part of me is afraid to stop. And I want to accept all of me anyway. Top of the head. There's so much I need to worry about. Eyebrow. And if I stop, side of the eye, it feels like I'll miss something important. Under the eye. But it's so exhausting. Under the nose. And I can't feel happy. Under the chin. And be worrying at the same time. Collarbone. I want to feel more happy and relaxed. Under the arm. So I'm open to the possibility of seeing this differently. Onto the ribs. I'm open to being curious. Onto the wrist. Because what if all this worrying top of the head isn't preventing anything? Eyebrow. Because when I worry, I'm in stress response. Side of the eye. So I don't think straight and can make more mistakes. Under the eye. So I'm actually missing more things that are important. Under the nose. When I'm worrying. Under the chin. I really am at my best when I'm happy and relaxed. Collarbone. So I choose to break the habit of worrying. Under the arm. I choose to believe in myself. Onto the ribs. I choose to believe I can handle whatever comes my way. Onto the wrist. I'm so happy and grateful now that every day, and just stay on the wrist, I trust myself and others more and more. And I'm so grateful to feel happy and relaxed. Taking a really nice deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Be sure that you are tapping whenever you feel stressed and before you go to sleep, so that you can soothe your nervous system, reprogram your subconscious mind, and live a life you love.